Hello friends, I am Rituraj, welcoming you to my channel CRB AXOM. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe the channel by clicking red subscribe button. Today I will show you how to cook cheese aloo wrap. Let's get started. For making masala twist, we need 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin and coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of dry mango powder, 1 teaspoon of chaat masala powder, and mix it well. Now heat the karai. 5 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon black mustard seed, 1 teaspoon cumin seed, green chilies, curry leaves, half teaspoon hing, 1 inch chopped ginger, 2 medium-sized chopped tomatoes, and fry it for 2 minutes. Add salt as per taste, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of Garam masala powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, and mix it well. 1 bowl mashed potatoes and mix it well. If you not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe my channel by clicking red subscribe button. Add cabbage, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, saute for 30 seconds. Heat the roti about 30 seconds on each side by applying butter. Spread hummus and mayonnaise. Sprinkle the masala twist. Add sliced cheese. Here I am using Amul sliced. Add potatoes masala. Topping with cabbage, capsicum, carrot and sprouts. You can also add the onions. Add hot sweet tomato sauce. Spread more the cabbage slices. Sprinkle masala twist. Add the cheese and fold it into half. Apply butter and toast it till crispy. Flip it to another side and apply more butter and toast it till crispy. You can also grill it in the grill tawa. Cut it into half or as you can like. Now time for plating. Serve as a hot with your favorite sauce and chutneys. I serve it with mayonnaise and hummus. Here your cheese aloo wrap is ready to eat. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel CRB AXOM. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe the channel by clicking red subscribe button and also click on bell icon notifications for getting all new updates from my channel. So today I cooked a recipe from leftover food. Yes, leftover food of chapatis. And I'm giving a little bit CRB twist. So here the recipe, here the dish. It's totally juicy and see the cheese. Let's have it. I serve it with the mayonnaise. It's full of cheesy. Hope you also try at your home. So see you next week. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.